Welcome to Violin Adventures number 81. Well, we started the week off with working on the YouTube violin, setting the neck. And I almost got to the point where I could glue it up when my sister and brother-in-law arrived and I stopped all work here in the shop. But we also have some interesting repairs that came in, and which I will be featuring on the next few videos, hopefully, because they are interesting repairs, and one is an extreme challenge for me. So we'll show you that also on this video, and hope you enjoy. I want to say a big thank you to all of you who are commenting and telling me what you like and what you don't like. I really appreciate the feedback. It really helps me know what to do on these videos. And thank you to all the new subscribers for subscribing. I hope you'll enjoy it, and thank you for all you who are sharing the videos. So we'll get into it, starting off with the YouTube violin. So to get ready to set the neck, we got to get all the right tools out. Looking for a couple sharp knives. And then I look here at my gouges and I can't find my one special gouge. And I think it's because I changed the handle, so it took me a while. We also need a ruler and a calipers. There, we should be ready to go now. Now we're just doing a lot of measuring and marking to make sure the dimensions are all going to be correct before we start cutting. Lots of measurements to fit this neck just right. We're going to make a dovetail. Okay. we have our section all cut out here, and we have the neck, and we have to make these fit perfectly. So I have a dimension here, a dimension up here, a length here, and a dimension this way. So there's 5 dimensions in all that I need to work on, and as I make this fit, all those dimensions have to come and meet exactly. So that's what I'll be working on in the next few hours, is fitting this neck. And it's a lot of pulling out, fitting, cutting down, fitting. We do that for a few hours until it gets perfect. So I'll see you back when this neck is fitted. Okay, I'm working away on fitting this neck, and I remembered you guys are sitting here wanting to see what's going on. So right now I'm going to put a little angle in the wood here. And you have to be ever so careful, because each little cut in one direction is going to affect all other 4 dimensions. A fun fact, when they manufacture a violin, a machine can make all the parts, but it can't set the neck. And so a human being has to set the neck, because there's so many variables and it has to be just right. And a lot of times they don't get it right on the cheaper instruments. But you look in the label and it says handmade. That's because one person set the neck, and so they could say handmade. But really it was machine made. And a very special repair. Okay, here's a repair that came into the shop. This is a lovely little instrument that I'm going to really enjoy fixing up. And on the back side, and this is the back side of the instrument. Isn't that's just charming to me, because those are the sound holes for the violin. So it just calls out to me to fix up this little banjo. So we're going to have fun with that. What we need to do is replace the skin here, get it a nice bridge, and replace these tuners up here, and give it a new set of strings, and clean it up, and just make it look ready to go for another couple hundred years. Now the big repair. Okay, now this is the repair that is going to be a huge challenge. There's a lot of cracks in this top, all over the top, but because this seam is taken apart here on the middle, these are really difficult to get back and to make look good and to hold is just a real problem. But I said yes to this challenge because, but I went ahead and said yes to this challenge. Part of the challenge is that these two pieces don't even line up. So this is going to need a lot of patience, and we'll just see how it turns out. Now this back is horrible. Somebody put in a piece of oak, it looks like, and you just don't do that. This is just not right. So this is going to have to come out, and I can tell, looking on the back, which we don't do this either. We don't scrape this varnish off and repaint it. That looks horrible. But I can feel that these weren't put together correctly. So these probably aren't even together. And that's why he had to put the board on the inside. So this is very, very bad. And I'm going to have to reopen this and see if I can get that to go to bed together correctly. And then on top of that, look at that. That is the ugliest rib you ever did see. So there's going to be another challenge. And I'm just going to take my time on this. Cello, probably normally I might not even bother with it, but I think we need to take it on as a challenge, and we'll see how it turns out. Well, here we are at the end of the week. It's just a beautiful day. The weather is lovely. The sky is a beautiful blue and white. And then you look down at the beautiful green grass. God's creation is so lovely. Well, here we are back in the shop. Let's see where we are at the end of the week. Here's our repair and we'll see how it turns out. Here's our little ukulele. I'm looking forward to searching for these parts and fixing this up to make. Here's our YouTube violin. And you can see I left this, my sister came and I just dropped everything to be with her. She's all the way from California. We hope to get this glued up. It's actually ready to be glued up, but I need to make the glue on it. So we'll do that, Lord willing, Monday morning. The Hebrew Minute. Ha'el tamim darako imrat Hashem tzarafa magen hu lakol hahosim bo. The way of the Lord is perfect. The word or the promise of Hashem is true or proven. He is a shield to all who take refuge or trust in Him. If you know where this is found, please leave it in the comments below. And I think that's it for this week. We have a lot to look forward to in the next few videos. And thank you so much for watching. Please keep commenting in the comments. I really enjoy that, and it really helps me, and I appreciate it very much. And thank you to the new subscribers. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.